Welcome to another episode of Jumpin in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today is Christmas Eve. And I'm going to bring you two dishes. One for my subscribers and viewers who celebrate Hannukah, and one for my subscribers and viewers who celebrate the seven fishes on Christmas Eve. The dish I'm making for Christmas Eve is Chilean Sea Bass in a lemon garlic herb sauce. And the dish I'm making for Hannukah is latke, also known as potato pancakes. This is the first dish we will be making, the latkes. And these are the ingredients I will be using: all-purpose flour, black pepper, salt, baking powder, egg, onion, and russet potatoes. I've already peeled them and I had them soaking in cold water so they won't turn brown. I have a grater here and I'm going to grate the potato in this bowl. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Okay, see? Now we're going to grate the onions in this bowl also. Okay, we finished grating the potatoes and onions. Now, the next thing we're going to do is let it drain in this colander a bit. I have a frying pan here that I'm going to put some oil in. Going to bring, where I have it on medium high. The oil has to be very hot. Now, this is what we're going to do. Take the egg and mix it up. We're going to add a little black pepper to it. I'm going to whip the egg up. We're going to add the flour to the egg. I already added the baking powder to the flour. This is going to hold it together. It's going to be like a paste. See? To set this to the side, and I have a kitchen towel. And I'm going to put the potatoes and the onions in. And we're going to squeeze out all the moisture. See? Nice and dry. We're going to take this and we're going to add it to the mixture. Making a mess. Don't like a mess. Now, we mix this up. Combine this thoroughly together. This is a very simple dish to make. See? The oil has heated up enough, and now I'm putting the potato pancakes in the pan. To press them down flat. The oil has to be hot, really hot. You don't want to crowd the pan too much. You're going to let them cook until they get golden brown on one side and flip them over to the next. I flip them over, and now they're going to cook on that side. I have a plate set up with some paper towel on it to drain off the excess oil. I think it's time to take out a few that's cooked. Okay. This one has to cook a little more. Now I'm going to make another batch. Now we're going to make the Chilean Sea Bass with Lemon Garlic Herb Sauce. These are the ingredients we will be using. Oregano, fresh oregano, fresh thyme, dry white wine, black pepper, salt, extra virgin olive oil, all-purpose flour, unsalted butter, minced garlic, and lemons. And of course, the Chilean sea bass. I've already washed it in lemon juice. And now I'm going to take some paper towel to pat it dry. You have to pat it dry. So you don't want to put it in there wet. Well, I have the flour here. I've just added some black pepper and salt, and we're going to mix this up together. Now we're going to turn on the frying pan, medium high. We're going to add some butter to the pan and some olive oil. The oil and the butter must be totally heated. We're going to drench the Chilean sea bass in with the flour. You must shake off any excess flour. Until oil get a little hotter. Now we're going to add the sea bass to the pan. Try not to move it around too much. Just let it cook. And then when it cook on one side, then you flip it over. Just flip the fish over. Now let's cook it on all sides. One more little side to cook it on. I have a plate here for this, and I'm going to put the fish on the paper towel. I've taken the fish out of the frying pan, and now we're going to make the herb butter sauce. Turn the pan on medium-low. We're going to add the white wine, and we're going to glaze the pan with the bits from the fried fish. We let it almost evaporate. Let the wine evaporate from the pan before we add the rest of the ingredients. Going to add some more butter. All the brown bits have come together with the wine and butter. Now it's time to add the garlic. The fresh oregano and thyme. Why you should use fresh is if you can use dried thyme or oregano, but it's going to give it a different flavor. It's not going to taste the same, but you can use it. Now we add the parsley. You let this cook up for about 30 seconds. Then we're going to add the chicken ball. And we're going to add some fresh lemon juice. We let this cook up for about 3 minutes. Here you have it, Chilean sea bass with garlic lemon herb sauce. And the latkes, also known as potato pancakes. I'm serving it with apple sauce. You can serve it with sour cream also. I wish all my lovely viewers and subscribers a happy holiday. If you like what you saw today, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. And also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.